Look at the word
irritated
in the passage below.
Okay, let's look at okay.
You are telling we are stuck because there's a little turtle on the tracks. The passage sign school car crossing his arms. I am afraid so,
Okay, I'm afraid so.
but we
will
go get moving again as soon as he gets to the other side. The conduct.
Okay, in the bus there's a conductor who sells the tickets. Okay.
Replied on the fell.
Unbelievable. Okay. Unbelievable. Okay, unbelievable. No one believe it. It's reach certain level, people don't believe it. It's okay. Unbelievable. Irritated. Okay. Oh no. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Okay, believe, I believe it. Unbelievable, okay?
Difficult to or
impossible.
Difficult or impossible to believe. Unbelievable adjective. His story is unbelievable.
Good.
Unbelievable.
Can I spell it?
Unbelievable. Adjective. Unbelievable.
Okay.
Unbelievable. UNBELIEVABLE. Unbelievable.
Okay, unbelievable. Okay, doesn't necessarily means it's not true. It could be true, but just it's unbelievable. Okay.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it could be true or false. Okay, but it's unbelievable. Okay.
Unbelievable. The passage said, rolling his eyes. The doctor
Conduct. Okay. Usually on the train you see. And now. Not this kind of conduct. What's that?
Unbelievable.
Good.
Unbelievable.
Okay.
conductor, 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 conductor,
conductor
conductor,
okay here
a person who collects money or tickets from passengers on the train or bus.
okay
Conductor,
conductor
conductor,
conductor
conductor,
okay conductor okay can spell it
CONDUCTOR, conductor.
yeah train conductor you see the train conductor he works in that train okay conductor okay
The conductor did not take this his com, com, com,
complaining
complain
personally
personally.
personally means it means the complaint is not for him not for the person okay not for someone it's called personally I don't take it personally I don't think it's just from Mozart
Conductor,
good
conductor,
conductor
conductor,
conductor
conductor,
conductor
a person who collects money or tickets from passengers on a train or bus.
okay
Conductor,
conductor personally
personally, personally,
personally
personally,
personally
personally, personally,
okay the complaint is not for you okay he just complain about that thing okay that's
personally,
if it's for you for a person that's personally okay in a personal manner
in a personal manner. Don't take this personally.
okay don't think he complain about you he just complain about that thing okay
Personally,
personally
personally,
personally
personally, personally,
can spell
PERSONALLY, personally,
LLY let's do it one
PERSONALLY, 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 personally,
don't take it personally okay no why is it okay here it says okay the conductor did not take his complaining
personally. This passenger was not the first
irritated
customer she did had to deal with that day, and he
certainly
certainly would not be the last. What is the meaning of
irritated
irritated as used in the passage?
jealous okay for example someone gets something good other people don't feel good about it okay you see for example he got a gift he didn't get it so he feel jealous okay that what's that
Personally,
good
personally, personally,
personally
personally,
personally
personally, not don't take this personally. Don't take this personally.
okay it's not for you okay it's just not like to complain
jealous,
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 jealous, jealous,
jealous,
jealous,
jealous,
jealous.
Okay, yeah. Feeling
Or showing an unhappy or angry
design
to
have
what
someone else has. For example, your neighbor has a fancy car. You don't feel good about it. That's called jealous.
Jealous.
You are jealous.
jealous,
just this his
Success.
his success has made some of his old friends jealous.
jealous,
Just
jealous,
Can spell it?
Jealous.
jealous,
Just
Okay, jealous.
you
Okay, what's the meaning of irritated? Okay,
just sad, annoyed, scared.
okay, which one? Oh,
This
good. Annoyed.
summit.
Okay. Can easily become angry. Okay, annoyed.
The word
Irritated.
irritated means annoyed. Which event would make you feel irritated? Reading an interesting story at home. Having the
Chain. Okay, bicycle chain. Bicycle chain. Okay, that's chain. You see, you have the chain to make it to go. Okay, right? You use the pedal, right? Drive this bicycle. This is chain. Sometimes the chain falls. Okay.
having the chain fall off your bicycle, winning a game of or contest, making a new friend at school.
Okay, which one?
The-
Oh, good.
This one,
Yeah,
summit,
yeah. Irritated.
vegetables,
Okay.
each.
Excellent.
Which sentence uses inter,
Irritated.
irritated correctly?
Carton.
Carter gets irritated when his little sister played his video games.
Carton. I don't know. I think it should be cut.
Colton,
Colton.
Colton,
Colton.
Colton,
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 Colton. Okay, Colton. Okay, Colton's.
Colton's questions were completely
Irritated.
irritated to what Mr.
Cooper.
Cooper was talking about.
Okay.
Colton could not wait to
Let's stop here.